Lot 165 is the 1931 Alfa Romeo 6C 1750 Gran Sport with Spider coachwork by Zagato. This is a 5th series car with the twin-cam supercharged engine under the hood you'd expect, the same power plant that propelled Alfa to victories at the Amelia. It's also a very original car with countless stamped parts that match and tell the tale of the car's tremendous preservation. The restoration work after that was exceptional as well, shown with pride at Pebble Beach, no less. The 1931 Alfa 6C 1750.
Thank you very much, Alan. I'm going to open the bidding here at $1 million. Who'd like to start me? Would you bid me $1 million? Thank you, Barney. $1 million I have. Lots of interest, ladies and gentlemen. Do I have 1,250,000? I have $1,250,000 bid from Italy. Siamo con te a 1,250. At 1,250,000. Do I have $1,500,000? Would you bid me $1,500,000 now? At 1,500,000, thank you. 1,500,000. Siamo a 1.500.000, 1,750 se vuoi. 1,750,000. I have 1,750,000 bid from Italy at 1,750,000. Do I have $2 million now? We're at $1,750,000. 1,800,000. Siamo a 1,800,000, $900,000. I've got $1,900,000 from Italy. Do I have $2 million now? $2 million I have now. At $2 million do I have 2.1. Siamo a $2 milioni, $2.100.000 se vuoi. Pensaci. At $2 million now. At $2 million do I have 2.1. At $2 million, well, you're out on my right. Siamo a $2 milioni, $2.100.000. 2,100,000 from Italy. Do I have 2,200,000 I have. Siamo a $2,200,000 contro di te. At 2,200,000, would you like to come back in? At $2,200,000, then are you in or you out? We're talking. Siamo a $2,200,000 e contro di te. The bid's with you, Jonathan. Sicuro? In or you out? At $2,200,000 then. Siamo a $2,200,000. Well, I can't wait any longer. At $2,200,000 then. You're out here. Last chance. A $2,200,000. Sei sicuro? Finito? Well, at $2,200,000 then I'm selling for the first time. At $2,200,000 la vendo se non c'ho più altro offerta. $2,200,000 for the second time at 2.2. L'ultima, last chance at $2,200,000 then. All done, all dusted, you short. Sold your car, congratulations, a fabulous Alfa. Well done. $2,200,000. 640. 610, I should have known that off by heart.